How are you all in sales? Because you all have a systemic effect on the customer's ability to say yes. Think about that. So when someone says to you, what do you do? Don't think about your title. Think about, what do I do that helps our customers say yes? You see, ladies and gentlemen, right now is the essence of sales. Right now. Not 30 seconds from now, right now. It's not about the company. It's not about the logo. It's not about the title. It's about how you see yourself, the value that you bring. I build sales culture. I can take my message anywhere. In other words, it's not about where you work. It's about who you are and the value that you bring. Your value proposition, by the way, this is another name for this, is your selling statement. Hint, hint, you're in sales. Sound good so far? Yeah. All right, do I still have your attention? Yeah. Awesome, great. So write this down. The secret to sales is to replace the word but with the word and. Every conversation is no longer about you, it's about the person that you're talking to. When the CEO says to you, what do you do? What are you going to say? Well, I'm a level 3 project manager in the bowels of the building. Thank you very much. Call your friends, your work friends, your superiors, former employers, bosses, colleagues, and say, I have a question to ask you, which is going to sound silly, you're going to think I'm crazy, but tell me how you think I helped. Or what do you think I do? How many of us just have conversations and if you're not all putting your hands up, something's seriously wrong, okay? It's not an interview, it's just a conversation. Sometimes the conversation will have its own chemistry, its own mojo, and sometimes it doesn't. So I started consulting about 3 months into this. Somebody called me up and said, are you still in transition? I said, does that mean out of work? The answer is yes. All right, so if I give you 10 minutes now, do you promise all to come back? Okay, you're project managers. That means you're back in 9 minutes and 58 seconds. Okay, 10 minutes, because the best stuff is yet to come.